Okay, we are at the Matterhorn Inn in Sedona, and we're gonna do a room tour. We're in 201. We requested a second floor room. They have patio rooms too, and below. There's only 2 floors, but this is the one we requested. And before we get started quickly, I wanna say something. The pictures made the room look huge, and sometimes you get in and it's not as big as you thought. This thing's massive. I am blown away by this room. I'm so excited to show you this. So to our right, look at this. Massive area for your luggage. You have extra bedding up here. Down below, you have an ironing board. I don't see an iron. I mean, we brought a steamer with us, so that's fine. But I don't know if they normally come with irons or not, but I don't see one. And then you have a mud mat down there. A lot of people come here for outdoor hiking and all sorts of adventure. Let's get started on this gorgeous, beautiful, massive room. So over here, you're gonna see me for a second in the mirror. Big desk, huge television. You have a Keurig. They also have coffee in the lobby. They have tea in the lobby. They serve a light breakfast in the morning, grab and go, like oatmeal and bars and things like that, and juices and all sorts of stuff. You have a safe, microwave, and a fridge. Beautiful artwork. Let's pan around here and look at this beautiful bedding. All the charging options that you're gonna need. Here, same thing on the other side, even little coasters throughout the room, which is awesome. And then over here, let's see what we have over here. Oh, I think you can charge your phone here, all sorts of stuff. So there's an alarm clock. Let's go over here. We have a big plush chair, another coaster, a little table there. You gotta see this balcony. They're huge, and this view. Just take it in for a minute. This is so pretty. This balcony is massive. Here's one side of it. You're looking over this amazing area. The Matterhorn is situated right in this amazing area with all of these shops and restaurants, and everything's walkable here. So there's tons of places you can stay in Sedona, but everything is walkable here. But here's the rest of the massive balcony. You look down below here. Let's see, what do we have down here? Oh, you can see, oh, I think that's just like another walkway area down there. And let's just pan around here. This is what you could be looking at every morning, every evening during your stay here. It was kind of hard to choose where to stay here because I'd never been here. I didn't know the lay of the land. West Sedona, this part, that part, I didn't know. And we just sort of took a chance and hoped that this was the right section. And we are so excited that we did that. Let's check out the bathroom area. Look at this. So you have your vanity here. You have all of your towels, big mirror. Let's take a little look at your toiletries. So Beekman is the company, and it is fresh air. We even have makeup wipes and a makeup cloth there so you don't damage the towels. You get it does come with a hair dryer. If you forget yours or don't feel like packing it, you have that. Look at this shower. Beautiful walk-in shower. All of your towels are in there. Pump, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Pretty artwork, even behind the toilet. And here, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's it. Let's take one last look. This is what and it's so fresh and it's so clean. It's just gorgeous. We're gonna be here for 2 nights. Well, it's gonna be 1. And it was kind of a situation with a pocket fire and this and that, so we canceled Flagstaff and we are here for 2 nights, and we couldn't be happier. You're gonna love it here if you come.